this is Dr. Young, and I'm going to go over your assignments for week 1. You have a discussion and 2 exercises. In your discussion, you're just going to talk about, and then I'm going to do this quickly because the discussions are usually very subjective, and they, really depend on, it's more of like your own experience. So there's not a specific right or wrong answer here. It's more of a, what is your experience with the topic? And in this case, we're just really talking about what is a positive and negative experience that you've had in human relations, and you're going to describe that for me. Now, the other 2 are exercises, and you have to analyze the specific results that you get. So, for the first one, you're going to do a motivational exercise. And what you're doing there is you're going to review 3 motivational theories, and you're going to write a brief summary about each one, write a brief analysis in which you compare and contrast the theories, and then how are those theories used to motivate. Now, one thing about the page count or the page length requirements is that doesn't include repeating the question. I know a lot of students will like to put the questions at the top of the page and then, write the paragraph, but that doesn't count in your length requirement. So if you put that on the beginning of a page and then you write out the rest of the page, but you stop there, that's not a full page because you're repeating information that's not, I needed a page of original material. So just make sure you understand that when you do your exercises or assignments. Make sure to proofread carefully. Normally I see issues with missing punctuation, like commas, using the wrong tense, using the wrong word, grammar issues, run-on sentences, incomplete sentences, inappropriate use of lowercase letters. Just make sure you're proofreading very carefully. Also, APA is required for all papers in this class. So make sure you're following that as well. Personality test is the same thing. You're going to go in. I'm going to click there and just go there so you can see this is what you should see. Personality test right there. If you have trouble accessing any of the links, you need to contact tech support immediately and get it resolved. I'm not going to be able to help you with that because obviously, as you can see, I can click on the links and it goes to where it's supposed to go. So if yours is not doing that, I don't know why. It could be a computer setting and I wouldn't have any way of knowing that. But you can always try to clear your cookies, clear your cache, use another browser, use another computer. Otherwise, you need to contact tech support. Sometimes a browser works. Sometimes Safari works. Sometimes someone else has, Firefox and it works better for them. Whatever works for you. But give them it's okay to try another browser. Sometimes that'll actually fix the problem. But if not, you'll need to contact someone more knowledgeable about computer settings than I am. Let's see. Okay, so for the personality exercise, you're going to do several things. You're going to take 2 of the personality tests located at that site. So there's the big emotional intelligence test. Let's see. Personality there. I'm sorry. Personalities are right here. Personality test. View all personality tests. There's several of them. And hopefully they'll pop up in just a minute because it's really slow tonight. The internet is. Okay. Yeah, there's some. Disc personality, driving personality, egoism, altruism, extroversion, introversion. Yeah, there you go. So you can take 2 of those. So you're going to complete question 2 and then on page 109, take 2 of the personality tests, and then write a paper in which you address the following prompts. You're going to summarize the results of each test. That means once you read the results, you're going to analyze your results and write a summary in your own words about what your best and worst traits are. And then you're going to compare and contrast results from the two personality tests. So basically, you're just analyzing these results. You know, are there any conflicts? Do they kind of mirror each other? Do they complement each other? How does that affect your leadership skills? How you work with others? Maybe how you operate in a team? So that's what I want to hear. Those kind of that kind of analysis is what I'm looking for. So that's basically it. And I hope you find these videos helpful. If you don't, let me know what would be more helpful to you. Things I want to cover, I don't mark up papers. So when I grade your papers, I'm not going to sit there and look for typos and stuff, because honestly, in a college course, you should be able to write correctly. So I'm going to tell you if you have errors, but then I'm going to ask you to proofread your own work more carefully. And if you continually get feedback about your writing, then you'll need to go to the tutoring services that are available here, and you'll need to use their, maybe get some help there before you submit your papers, because this is not an English class. So I'm not going to be marking up papers when I need to grade content. So I'm going to go ahead and take you the resources, though, because there are resources here at Everest that can help you with writing. You can even submit a paper for review. So you could, for example, you could write your discussion posts. You could put it in Word and send it to the tutor, or any of your exercises. You can just send it there, or you can use EUO Tutoring or Smart Thinking. Any of these resources are available to you if you struggle with writing. And I highly recommend you utilize their services if you feel that you need to. That's what they're there for. And I'm sure that, I know many of my students have told me they've used the services and they found them very helpful. So I just wanted to make sure that you have that, you understand how to get to that page so you can use them if you need to. So that's really all. It's actually week 2. Any questions or concerns, let me know. I'll be happy to assist you. You can actually text me. Let me go to the home page here in case you go to the announcements. Oh, this computer is super slow tonight. I'm not going to be able to do that. Well, anyway, my text and information is, there it is. Sorry. Let's see, get to know me. Where am I? Let's see, I think I have my phone number here. I just want to make sure. No. That wasn't it. Okay. Hopefully I have that in here. Well, maybe I didn't post my text. I like to be text. Of course you can email me, but I do enjoy, I do have the ability to text. Some of you may like to do that, and some of you may not, and that's obviously up to you. Let me see if I found it. Maybe I didn't post that. I think I did. Alright, well, I'll be posting a new announcement about contacting me via text if you need to, and you can do that whenever you want, if you prefer to do that. If you have an urgent need, I would text, because I'm not always somewhere where I can talk on the phone, but usually I can at least respond to you with an answer, or I'll get back to you or something, so you'll at least give you an idea that I got your message. So anyway, that's all for this week, and I'll be posting these each week. Again, I hope you enjoy this class. I hope you find these videos helpful. If you have any feedback or any specific questions I'm not addressing, do not hesitate to ask me. I will be more than happy to assist you. Thanks, and have a great day.